What if I told you there's a new electric car that could make Tesla start worrying? A futuristic design, insane performance, and luxury that could challenge the best EVs in the world. This is not a Porsche, and it's not a Tesla. This is the all-new Polestar 5. Starting from the outside, the all-new Polestar 5 looks like something straight out of the future. At the front, you'll notice the sharp LED headlights and a clean, aggressive design that gives the car a bold presence on the road. The sleek aerodynamic body is designed not only to look stunning, but also to improve performance and efficiency. From the side, the smooth body lines and sporty silhouette give the Polestar 5 a premium grand touring feel, blending luxury with performance. The large wheels and low stance make it look fast even when standing still. Moving to the rear, the futuristic full-width LED light bar adds a modern touch, making the car instantly recognizable at night. Every detail of the Polestar 5 feels carefully designed to create a perfect balance between elegance, power, and futuristic style. Now, let's step inside the all-new Polestar 5, and this is where things get even more impressive. The interior feels modern, clean, and incredibly premium, with high-quality materials all around the cabin. Right in the center, a large touchscreen controls almost everything, giving the dashboard a futuristic and minimalistic look. The digital driver display keeps everything clear and easy to see, while the smart technology makes the driving experience feel advanced and effortless. The seats are designed for both comfort and performance, making long drives feel smooth and relaxing. From the ambient lighting to the premium finishes, every detail inside the Polestar 5 feels luxurious and built for the future. Now that we've explored both the exterior and interior of the all-new Polestar 5, it's finally time to rate it. From the futuristic design on the outside to the premium and high-tech cabin on the inside, this car definitely makes a strong impression. Now that we've taken a full look at the exterior of the all-new Polestar 5, it's time to rate the design. From the sharp LED headlights to the futuristic body lines and sporty stance, this car truly stands out. The design feels modern, aggressive, and premium all at the same time. So, for the exterior, I'd give the Polestar 5 a 9 out of 10. Now that we've explored the interior of the all-new Polestar 5, it's time to rate it. From the premium materials to the futuristic screens and smart technology, the cabin feels modern, clean, and luxurious. The comfort, design, and high-tech experience really make the interior stand out. So, for the interior, I'd give the Polestar 5 a solid 9 out of 10. But now the real question is, would you choose the Polestar 5 over a Tesla or Porsche? Let me know in the comments.